Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain the topics which are important in English. Here you can observe actually what are the important topics in English means question tag, articles, prepositions, parts of speech, DC. DC means degrees of comparison. Synthesis of sentences means simple, compound and complex sentences. And tenses, voice. Voice means active voice and passive voice. Speech. Speech means direct and indirect speech. And one more name is there, reported speech. Actually, why I have written tenses part separately means if you learn this topic perfectly, then you can understand voice and speech. So without without knowing structures and rules of tenses, you can't do this one and this one. And next, tenses part is the most important topic in English. Then here I gave correction of sentences. If you learn all these topics, you can do this one. Correction of sentences means in one sentence one mistake will be there. Then here we should understand and we should correct that sentence and we should write. Okay. Line wise we will learn all these topics. On every topic I will give rules and regulations, examples, exercise and answers and notes. Now we are going to learn question tag.